Hey, if you want to find the display settings on the Nothing Phone 2a, all you have to do is just to swipe up, open the app drawer, and now we have to go into the settings. From this, we have to actually start from this screen. There we go. And now you will have to scroll down, and here we can find the display settings. And we can actually find a lot of different options. So we can find the brightness level, the adaptive brightness. We can also change the screen timeout and get the screen attention. From this, we can quickly turn on and off the dark theme. Also, we can adjust the status bar so we can show internet speed, battery percentage, always show icon when we are in the vibrate mode. We can also change the display size and the text size by moving these icons. Additionally, we can enable the bold text, the high contrast text, and we can reset this settings options. From this, we can also change the colors between alive, standard. We can set the color temperature. From this, we can also turn on and off the night light. We can adjust the screen refresh rate. Right here, we can find the HDR display support. We can also display apps in the full screen mode. And from here, we can turn on and off the auto rotation of the screen. And also we can enable the screensaver with the clock, colors, or photos. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.